region. She is black years old. Bakit blank? Bakit blank? Oh, okay. Sorry na lang.
She's like 7 years old, sorry. 47 years old.
You see, you're 47 years old. You doesn't look like your age. Dito ka muna sa harapan. Nalalaglag ba? Nalalaglag? Okay, dyan ka muna. Paikot-ikot ka muna. Konti ka kaibigan. Sabi niya, she is 47 years old and is also working as an overseas Filipino in Russia. Her costume, konti ka kaibigan po, her costume, attire was inspired by creative eco-friendly fashion designer made entirely of recycled materials like newspapers, fruit foam, netting, and tissue rolls. Her outfit gives hope and solution to our garbage problems anywhere in the world, especially in the Philippines. Solid waste management is everybody's problem, and therefore, by using the materials mentioned earlier, we can help not only the fashion industry but also our environment. We therefore believe that showing an example through this skillfulness and creative use of waste will catch the attention of our educators and include this as one of the trainings of our out-of-school youth, solo parents, and jobless individuals who can produce more these fashion items.